Hey everybody, welcome back to another Slaburday Saturday. I'm here today with Mr. Ashlog. This is brought to me by my brother, Peter Lemiski. What do you know? Same last name. He has a logging and firewood type company, and I was just telling Tony, the man behind the camera, that back in the day, a log like this, most of the tree guys would just leave them in the forest because they weren't actually valuable. Normal sawmills wouldn't take them, and they're too awkward and big for firewood. So they would literally just get like left in the tree line. Maybe even just cut up into small pieces. But fortunately, with the urban salvage lumber craze, which has been going on almost 15 years now, certainly 10 years plus I've been involved in it, we're now saving these logs, we're giving them a new life and turning them into beautiful lumber. Then you guys take them and make some tables, some bar tops, some chairs, whatever you can do. But I know there's some beautiful lumber in here, so let's take it up. We're gonna get this on the sawmill right now. Sweet. All right, Tino showed up, one of our customers, to flatten a piece of pine for a computer desk that he's making, so we're going to run that through the machine very quickly. You're going to see how a 52-inch planer sander can make very quick work of leveling as well as sanding a piece. But right now, let's check out the planing and sanding, and then we're going to head back up to the mill. So yeah, it's that way. Let's see what you got. Yeah, I think as long as it's under the wood. Oh, that's a good one.
I had the plunge runners, right, Obi?
Yeah.
The thing to keep it at set level.
That's annoying.
Horrible. It kept on stripping all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like doing the plumbing now.
Yeah.
And then I do want to get. We're back up at the sawmill. We're gonna take a look at what these two slabs look like. If they're cutting nice, we're just gonna keep on going. We're cutting these at 10/4, which is 2.5 inches. And I would say, woo, almost lost it. It's going pretty darn good, folks. So we'll pop these two slabs off and we'll keep on cutting. Look at that beautiful grain. Oh man, the sawmill's cutting perfect, dead flat, beautiful lumber. Check this slab out. Come right in here, show them. That's it right there. We're gonna get some water on this beauty. Call this the slow reveal. Oh, oh baby. Maybe a little splash there. How about right there? Oh, you like it here, eh? Ooh, one more for you. Look at that! No. Oh yeah, that's nice stuff. All right, that's it. Slaburday went fantastic. Turns out, them some nice wood grains in this ash log. Look at how beautiful this slab. I think everyone is unique as well as beautiful. Some, of course, need the old epoxy treatment, but we're gonna pull off the last 1, 2, 3 slabs right now. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, you know, do it. Subscribe, please.